What's up, guys? This is Duana, aka Glamazon 1026, and welcome back to the Glam Room. I know I've taken a little bit of a break. I feel like I needed a summer break, and so for the past couple of weeks I haven't been uploading, but I am back with an all-new video. And in this video today, we are going to be doing a full face of new makeup. So some of this makeup has been gifted to me, some of this makeup I purchased my own, some of this makeup has been in my makeup room for me to do videos on with you for a long time, and I have not gotten around to it. So I figured this would be the best way to get all of those together. Okay, so if you guys want to see that, make sure you stay tuned. But if you want to be a part of the most fabulous, the most glamorous community here on YouTube, be sure to hit the subscription button and the notification bell so that you can become part of the Glam Fam and know exactly when I upload. Got a lot of great videos up already, got a lot of great content to come. So make sure you do that. Without further ado, let's get into this full face of new makeup, okay? To be doing a new makeup video. So it's not quite a get ready with me, but we're just gonna be trying out some new makeup. Some of these things that I've had, some of these things were gifted to me, and some of these things I've used already, but just not on camera. I'm gonna be going through and talking a little bit about the products that I'm gonna be using and telling you whether or not I think you should get them. Okay? All right, so first let's start with the lips because my lips are dry right now. I'm going to be using the Honey Conditioning Lip Drench by Delish Condish. This was gifted to me. I have this lip brush from Sephora that I'm just going to scoop a little bit out on. I use this in conjunction with their brown sugar and green tea lip scrub, and it's really nice. This smells exactly like honey, so if you don't like the smell of honey, because I know it can be a lot for some people, if you don't like it, don't get it, but it feels really nice on the lips. My lips feel nice and moisturized, and I'm excited about that. Next, we're going to put on our SPF because you know that is very important when you are doing your makeup or when you're just going out in general. So right now I have the Flesh Hydrating SPF Serum. This is broad spectrum SPF 35. So it's gifted to me from Delish Condish, but it's not their brand, they just sell it. I'm going to get 2 fingers worth of this, rub it on my fingers, and then spread it all over my face. Another good thing about this is that it leaves no cast. So this is perfect. Look at that. Love it. So I have 2 new primers, and as y'all know, I like to mix primers. So the first one is the Exa Jumpstart Smoothing Primer. This was gifted to me from the brand. And it feels really good on your skin. It really does. Like, it feels very nice and moisturizing. I don't think there's too much moisturization. I don't know, maybe like pro MUAs or, you know, people that like our estheticians can tell me if there's too much moisturization, but if I could put on 5 layers of moisturization under my makeup, I feel like that'd be good. This is the LYS Secure Skin Gripping Serum Primer. This is kind of like the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer, except it's more runny, and it gives your skin a nice tacky layer for, ooh, yes, I love that, for the foundation to kind of like settle into and grip and hold on to. Whew. So I don't have any new eyebrow products, so I'm just gonna do my eyebrows really quick and then I'll come back to you when we're getting into eyeshadow. All right, so we're here, we're back, we're zoomed in, brows are done. Going to be picking up the Patrick Ta Major Dimension eyeshadow palette, and I told myself I wouldn't buy anything else Patrick Ta, but I went to the store and I saw this and I was like, this is very cute, I'm gonna buy it. So it is 10 shades, and then they have 2 cream pigments on the side. So we're gonna start off with this one right here, Heartache. And I'm going to put that on my lower lid into my V, outer V, yeah, that's where we're putting it, on our outer V. Just like that. And bring that up into the crease. Now I'm gonna blend that out with, second from the bottom, Amore, which is this one right here. just for some lightness, so that it's not just all dark all up. I'm gonna go in with Lust, which is this, it has like a shift. It's like a pink, gold, greenish, gold, peach shift. I'm gonna put that on my lid. So one thing I will say about this Patrick Ta palette is that the shimmers, which is the reason one of the main reasons I bought this was the shimmers. Yeah, they're hard to pick up with a brush. I think you need one of these. So I'm gonna see if it works better on one of these, because picking it up on the brush is not the business, which kind of pisses me off because this palette was $68, you know? So yeah, it works better on this, but still, who has one of these just randomly? Like, they don't even sell these in the store anymore, do they? You have to like randomly get them on Amazon or something. I got this one off of AliExpress that came with a whole other brush set. Then I'm also gonna go in with 1, 2, 3, not Lust, but Desire. This one right here, because that one's like really cute and flame-like. I'm gonna put that towards the back, like back here. Ooh. Yeah. Anyway, all right, so I'm gonna do this eye and then we're gonna come back and start on the face. Okay, y'all, so we're going to get into the foundation now. Right now, I'm shaking up the Exa High Fidelity Semi Satin Foundation. It says that it is charged with anti-pollution particles. I don't know what that means, but we hate pollution. Pollution is bad, right? So we'll just use this. So in order to use it correctly, you gotta shake it well. And then I'm just going to grab my Beauty by Faye brush and squeeze a little bit on there and begin the application. This is in the shade 170 Peyton. I can also use the shade 210 Jessica. So both of those shades work fairly well for me. This was also sent to me by the brand. So this is lightweight. It's buildable, it has a semi-matte finish like it says. And so like wherever I need some extra coverage, like right there and right here, I'm just going to go in and add it. Okay, so these next two products are not new for me, but I don't think I've ever used them on camera. So I will be using the Sephora Bright Future Gel Serum Concealers. And I got them in the shade Pecan Pie and Toffee. So Pecan Pie is the brighter of the two. So I will put that like right up here and up here. And Pecan Pie is a really good, it looks like a NARS Caramel and LYS's TN3. Is that what color I have, I think? And so it's just a little bit more yellow than the two of them. And so to balance that out, I have Toffee. And Toffee is the darker of the two, so I'm gonna put that down here. This one has a little bit more pink in it. Also, if you do not like scent, these have scent, and that's probably why I didn't use it on camera, because I don't like when my facial and skincare things have scent in them. Like, I am not sensitive to it, but other people may be, and so I just don't understand why people would do that, you know? So these are just Sephora collection blushes, and they are so pretty. Look at them. Ugh, love them. So these were in my Sephora VIB sale haul. This is the Hey Jealousy Colorful Matte Blush from Sephora. I'm just going to bring that up here like that. Look how pretty that is. And then this is the orange one, and this one is called Fascinated. This one has a little bit of shimmer to it. All right, so now is bronzer time. So I have 3 of these bronzers. The first one I bought was Mocha Queen, but it was too dark, so I used that as like a contour. So they had a sale recently, I think it was for 4th of July, and so I got the Colored Rain bronzers, and this one is Cinnabay. and this one is Naughty Spice. And I can basically use either of them, but I will show you the difference. I'll give you some swatches so that you can see the difference. So this first one is Cinnabay, and this one is Naughty Spice. All right. So this one is Mocha Queen. This is the one that I originally had gotten. So I'm going to use Cinnabay today, and then I'm going to contour with Mocha Queen. I do have the Fenty Beauty Chocolate Swirler and Pecan Swirler. These are like, they're the Toasted Swirl Shimmer Bronze Powders. I don't think I used these on camera before. Not here anyway. Probably, I definitely have used them on Instagram. But my favorite out of the two of them is Pecan Swirler. And you really only need a little bit of these, and they're gonna be so pigmented. So I have this big old brush, and I just go like this. Just dip a little bit in it, and just, oh, look at that. Oh, so good. So good. All right, so I'm just gonna finish off my eyes really quick and put on lashes, and then we'll come back and do the lip. So the lipstick I'm gonna be using today is actually fairly old. I've just never used them on camera because I had like these grand plans to do, like, to buy more and do like a try on video. That never happened. So they just kind of, I don't want to say they sat by the wayside because I've been using them. I just haven't been using them. Y'all just haven't seen them on this channel. So this is the Makeup by Mario Ultra Suede lipstick, and this is in the shade Jessie, and it's like a very pretty like nude pink. And I have three shades. I have a nude pink, a brown, and a bright red. I feel like I bought them when they first came out. So here we go. That is beautiful. I love that. I love that so much. It looks so good. Nice and creamy. Very soft on the lips, doesn't feel drying, but it's still matte. Like, this is the future of lipstick. Anyway, guys, so I'm gonna do my hair. Well, I'm not really gonna do anything. It's gonna stay in this ponytail, but I'll take off my head thing, and I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna give you my rundown of all of the stuff that we did today, all the new things that we tried on today, okay? All right, guys, here is the finished look. Feel like I look really nice and put together. This is a beautiful, like, rosy, brown. Like, I don't think this is a summertime look. This is more like summer into fall, you know, like, I think that's what we're going for with this. Yeah, but it's really cute and I like it. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so that you can be a part of the Glam Fam. Make sure that you like this video because liking is the easiest and the least expensive way to push my content to other viewers who like the things that you like. And I think that's about it, but I missed you guys. I'm happy to be back. Hopefully I have some videos, some great videos coming up in the next few weeks. Be sure to be on the lookout for those as well. All right, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.